Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enhance image quality in Adobe Express. Adobe Express offers several tools to improve your image quality. So, here's a breakdown of the key feature. First of all, open up your Adobe Express application and start up a new project or open up an existing one from your project list. Make sure that you've added the image onto your editing screen. Tap on the plus button at the bottom left and select Media. Now choose a photo or an image you would like to edit. You can also upload a photo from your device's camera roll. After selecting a picture, click on Add at the top right to add the picture on your timeline. After you do that, make necessary adjustments for the picture such as resizing, rotating, cropping, etc. Once you adjust your image on your preview screen, go ahead and tap on your image from your preview page at the top and then from the bottom menu select Adjust. You will be able to see adjustment tools such as contrast, brightness, saturation, sharpen, etc. First of all, let's go ahead and get to the sharpen effect. After choosing one of the adjustment tool, go ahead and increase the slider or decrease them in order to make adjustments. Make sure to use tools like sharpen, brightness, and contrast so that you can add clarity and definition to your image. Control the overall lightness or darkness of the image, and by using the contrast tool, you can adjust the difference between light and the dark areas. After you make necessary adjustment using the tools provided, simply tap on the tick mark at the top right and you will then be able to enhance your image quality. But remember that whenever you start with the editing, make sure that you start with a high quality image. Also experiment with filters which can be used to enhance your image's appearance. So that was how you will be able to enhance the image quality on Adobe Express. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.